Okay, I thought I was recording this whole time and I was not recording, but I'm doing a read for today. We have the Chariot, the Eight of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, and the Nine of Pentacles. It looks like you've been working on something which is a different energy from the past. In the past, you may have been feeling stagnant or just not acting on your ideas, but you're starting to act on your ideas and it's bringing in a change of energy into your life. Some of you may be heading towards abundance with this Nine of Pentacles right here, and you have been working diligently on a passion that you have. You may be getting the attention of others who may come in and want to collaborate with you. I am getting the message that for those in my spiritual community who channel and you're not getting the messages out, please get the message out. And if you aren't channeling, like, open up those channels, because messages are starting to ramp up coming through for the collective, and we need to hear what you have to say. Yes, it will come in, your abundance, if you just stay diligent. Keep posting. If you're a content creator, keep posting. Any more cards, universe? Oof. I don't like it when they go to the floor. Alright, we have the 4 and 5 of Pentacles. 4 and 5, so this is good. You're going from the 4 to the 5, which is an increase in value, right? So we're increasing our value. And here you are, you're coming out of the cold. Things are gonna pick up and you're probably gonna see your pentacles start to increase some way. Maybe some offers coming in, maybe you get some coupons, some type of abundance. Abundance is not always like money coming in. Abundance could be you see something on sale and it's usually $100, but today is $30. That is a form of abundance. But I can see here that things are flowing quite nicely. There's no tight grips on your financial needs, and flows coming. Money is like the energy of water. It needs to be able to flow. 10 of Pentacles again. This is a great reading. Another positive card. You are creating some type of generational wealth here. Let's see. This is going to help something that's going to be long term for you. Good job. Woo! It's finally coming in. All right. Really, I feel like we don't need any clarifiers in this reading, maybe except for the Knight of Wands to see what that is exactly, but you're gonna keep birthing new ideas, birthing new projects. I don't think this is gonna stop, which is good. You're in creation mode right now. Keep that momentum going. Any other cards for collective? Any other cards? Don't quit, don't quit, don't quit. High Priestess in reverse. Right now at this time, it's not time to be listening to other people right now. If there's other people trying to be like, go, you should do this instead of that. You should, like with the business, you should try it this way, not the way you're doing it. Right now, don't listen to people like that. Yes, it's good to have input and take ideas and work with them, but right now this is really saying that you need to listen to yourself, what you want, and do things as you want them done. So just right now at this time, don't listen to others about this, because all the answers lie within you and you're running the show. You got to get used to running the show. That's what I'm seeing. You got to get used to running the show. I'm going to get one more card and then we'll clarify the Knight of Wands. If that's like a business deal coming in, some help. We'll see. Any last cards for collective? We have fire energy, earth energy. This pertains, I'm looking at this pertaining to just staying resilient. People are going to want to come in and tell you how to run things. Your own business, yes, it happens. People are going to trying to come in, tell you how to run your own business, how to run your own show, but just do things the way you want them done. Learn to step into that. All right? Just really be sure of, like, be authoritative, be sure what you want. Let's get a couple clarifiers for the Knight of Wands. I'm just curious what this Knight of Wands is, what's coming in. Is this like a person coming in to help? Is it a contract? Six, 6, 6, 2 may be significant. 1,000 may be significant. Maybe some of you are gonna get $1,000. I just saw the another 10 of Pentacles. All right, Spirit, what is this Knight of Wands? Can we get? We have the Weaver of Boons. So this may be someone coming in to help you out and help you along birthing the process of your ideas and projects. It looks like more ideas. If you already got something going on, it looks like another idea is going to come and you're going to run with that as well. This is the Earth sign energy, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. And they're coming in to bring you a gift or offer you something. Let me get one more clarifier. Don't run away when things start to get good. Keeper of Spells. Yeah, this is your passion. This is what you're meant to do. This is why you're here. So this is fire sign energy. Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. The King and Queen showed up. We have the Weaver of Boons and the Keeper of Spells. So this is also showing that you're gonna have to leave behind the old you is dissolving. You're gonna have to leave behind your old thought patterns, your old perceptions, because you're coming into an all new energy. So congratulations. I'll see you next time. It was a lovely read. Very happy for you. Just keep doing what you're doing, keep working, and remember, you're running the show now.